Most people think money is about math, but if that were true, smart people would always be rich. Yet in America, millions of intelligent, educated people struggle with money. Because money is not about intelligence, it's about psychology. The psychology of money is how your emotions, past experiences, and fears control your financial decisions. You don't make money choices with calculators. You make them with feelings. And feelings are messy. Meet John. He earns over $100,000 a year. By every standard, he's successful. But John has no real savings, no investments, and constant stress. His problem isn't income, it's behavior. Money decisions are emotional decisions: fear, ego, pride, comparison. These emotions quietly control spending, saving, and investing. Psychologically, losing $1 hurts twice as much as gaining $1 feels good. So people avoid investing, avoid risk, and avoid growth. Doing nothing feels safer. But it's expensive. The American middle class is trained to play it safe. Get a stable job, avoid mistakes, don't take risks. But safety without growth creates financial stagnation. Social comparison destroys wealth. People don't spend to be happy, they spend to not feel left behind, and that quiet pressure keeps people broke for decades. Two people earn the same income. One chases lifestyle, the other builds margin. After 20 years, their lives look completely different. Same money, different psychology. Wealth is built slowly, not through genius, but through patience. Most people fail financially because they underestimate time and overestimate quick wins. People fear embarrassment more than poverty, so they avoid asking questions, avoid starting, avoid learning. Silence feels safer than failure. Wealthy people don't avoid mistakes, they expect them. They build systems, not perfect decisions. That mindset changes everything. I used to think being careful was smart, but careful without action is fear in disguise. You don't need confidence. You need small steps. Spend less than you earn. Build breathing room. Invest consistently. Ignore the noise. Simple rules beat complex strategies. Money success isn't about being smarter, it's about thinking differently. If you want clarity instead of hype, welcome to Money Sense Lab. Subscribe and learn how money really works.